when the data are erased or if error occurs, it can take the duplicate.
Good stuff. Next.
As well as shows error correcting, go for its data stripped on different levels. Right level P, white level stripping with elevated pattern.
Good stuff. Next.
Each block has an apparently one right solid. In right level, each block has an apparently for error checking and correction, and right 6 is extension of the right 5 where it has two parity for error correction and correction.
Okay. Today we are going to see about the file organization. What is file organization, ma? Arranging the files in a order. For example, if you are taking your class and I am collecting a file from your class, what is the first step I can do? Collecting your roll numbers, that is collecting your name list, so that I can arrange the files in the order. Okay, same as that we are entering the files are available for the processing, and next one is used to determine the efficient file organization for each page relation. As we see previously, normally the database what we are doing is we are collecting the relational data. Correct? We are keeping the as many as table we can, and all the tables we will be having a relation as a common. Correct? So that the files that we are collecting should be based on the relational tables, so that we can access that file easily. Okay. In this file organization, we have three types. First one is sequential file organization, and second one is direct access, and third one is sequential file organization. What is first one, ma? Sequential file organization. In sequential file organization, what we are doing? We are arranging the files in a sequential order. That is, as I said earlier, the example is your class file. I am arranging it as a roll number wise, so that I can access easily. If I ever ask to take roll number 50, then what I can do? As I have arranged directly, so that I can take directly the roll number 50's file. Correct? So the advantage of sequential file is we can access the file easily, so that the time will be consumed. Okay, and what is second one, ma? Direct access file organization. It is also known as the random access or relatives file organization. And what is the second point? All records are stored in hard disk. That is direct access storage device. What is hard disk, ma? We use it to store the external files in our system. Correct? We are using hard disk in system. Correct? All of you know that, right? So we are storing our file in a hard disk, and so that we can access the file easily. We are directly storing the file in the hard disk like the external devices. And what is next one? Sequential file organization. And it is a combination of both sequential file and direct access file. Okay. And next topic is what is the organization of records in a file. Whatever we have some of the records, so that we are organizing it in a file, and we are using a sum of types in them. Okay. What are the types? First one is sequential file organization. Sequential file organization is nothing but we are using that type to store, update, and delete the records. Okay. For inserting, we will be adding it from the end of the array. Okay. If I am having an array like this, if I need to add another data means I will be adding at the end of the array. Okay, so that the file will be in sequential order. We can access job. Next.
Next we are seeing about organization of records, which is how to organize the file using pages, how to manage the file. There are 16 file organization, which is we can store, update, delete some of them. We can store the, if we can update the file, we can the last index, last alignment. Next file organization. Group of file we are stored in single address file. Last file organization